Hello everyone from Dr. Boo Who. So today you guessed it right. I'm going to bake a cake. Yay! For that, I've used some melted butter, refined powdered sugar, remember no lumps, and homemade curd. Mix this all really well. Then goes all the dry ingredients, which are refined flour, cocoa powder, baking soda and baking powder. Again mix, but remember not to over stir this batter, otherwise your cake will turn out heavy. And everybody wants a fluffy cake, right? So remember not to over mix this batter. Once the batter is ready, transfer it into a well greased oven proof bowl. I've greased this bowl with vegetable oil. Then put this bowl into an oven. Bake it for a good 6 minutes into a normal heating mode. And then once it's done, slice it up and soak it up with some sugar syrup. Top it up with some whipped cream and chocolate ganache. And voila, the cake is ready.